Today's video is a what's sold on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, and Mercari video. I grossed over $1,700 in 1 week as a part-time reseller. This is for the sales during the week of March 7th through the 12th, so that's a Monday through a Saturday. These are everyday items that I found at my local thrift store, including men's, women's, and children's clothing, a few housewares, and a coffee mug. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we'll start over on Facebook. I sold this Eddie Bauer fleece full zip vest. I picked it up at a Goodwill for $4.50. It sold for my full asking price of $29 on Facebook. So my profit on the vest, $24.50. Here is a Harley Davidson extra large long sleeve t-shirt. I paid $4.50 for this. It sold for my full asking price of $27 and the buyer did pay shipping. The fees on Facebook were waived, so my profit, $22.50. Next we'll hop over to eBay. I sold this Earth Rags flannel pullover sweater. I paid $3.50 for this. It sold on promotion for $43.19 plus $14 shipping. So my profit, $33.61. I purchased this at the end of December and it sold the middle of March, so it was listed for about 2.5 months. I did pick it up because it is flannel, plaid, and it's lined. Looking at these keywords, you can see I used Earth Rags, which is the brand. I added the keyword shacket, which I believe is a play on words with jacket and sweater. It's flannel. I added the keyword blanket, hippie, boho, baja, as it kind of has sort of a Mexican feel. It is made in Mexico. You can see that on the tag here. So I did add Baja, extra large sweater in plaid. The next item is new with tags Athleta. I did pick this up at Goodwill. My Goodwill does sell new with tag items. This was just $3.50. It sold on a best offer of $35 and the buyer did pay $7 shipping, so they were $42 all in. My profit, $24.84. I picked these up because they were new with tags, they were Athleta, and a plus size. The next item that sold is a pair of Miss Me denim jeans. I paid $4.25 for these. These took about 5 months to sell, so a little bit more of a long tail item. They did sell for a pretty good price of $49 on a best offer. The buyer did pay $9 shipping. So my profit on the Miss Me jeans, $38.01. As you can see on these are very embellished back pockets with a back flap. If they do have the back flap, you will want to add that to your title. The thing I like about Miss Me jeans is in the inside waistband, it says the style. Here you can see it says mid-rise, easy, skinny. So it makes, when you look up comparable solds, it makes it so much easier when the style name is listed. Next up is a pair of pajamas. This is PJ Salvage. Now I have had success selling this brand, so you do want to keep your eye open for it. PJ Salvage, this is what that tag looks like. It's an embroidered label, which is what caught my attention off the bat. This is a 2-piece pajama set. So Goodwill charged me $3.50 for each piece, so in total it was $7. I sent an offer to Watcher of $24.93 plus $9 shipping. So my profit on the 2-piece pair of pajamas, $18.73. This sold the middle of March and it is flannel. As you can see, I sell seasonal items year round. Next up is a new with tag Vera Bradley e-reader case. I love Vera Bradley. I picked this up at a garage sale for $2. It's sold on promotion for $14.33. The buyer did pay $27 shipping as it shipped to Canada. So they paid almost double what the item was worth to have it shipped to Canada. I actually paid $12 shipping to Canada, so I made a little bit of money on the shipping charge. My profit, $21.96. Looking at these keywords, you'll notice I added new without tag Vera Bradley. It's purple. Punch is the style of that floral print. I added the keyword e-reader. It's a retired Vera Bradley pattern for a Kindle, iPad, cover, sleeve, reader. So I covered all of my bases in these keywords. Next up is a George Strait Wrangler Collection long sleeve shirt. I paid $2 for this at a thrift store. It's sold for $23.50 on a best offer. The buyer did pay $7 shipping, so they were $30 all in. My profit, $18.43. I do pick up these George Strait Wrangler shirts. A lot of the cowboys or anyone who enjoys wearing Western wear will purchase them. This is colorful with a contrasting flip cuff, which is what you see here. The next item on eBay is a Torrid dress. I rarely go through the dress aisle, but for some reason on this day I went down the dress aisle and I ended up picking up 2 or 3 of these Torrid dresses. I paid $3.50 for this. It's sold on an offer to watcher of $29.24, and the buyer did pay $9 for priority shipping. So my profit, $24.20. With Torrid, they do have the vanity sizing, so it was a Torrid size 3, so I always include the Torrid size chart to help with the size conversion, and that's what you're looking at here. Next up is an item that was sitting in my garage for the longest time. I did pick these up at the thrift store. Each piece was $3 each, and it's a set of 2. I thought I may use it outside on the patio, but like I said, they were sitting in the garage for the longest time, and I finally said, what the heck? Let me put these on eBay. They sold within 8 days of listing for $22.50, and the buyer did pay $18 shipping. So the buyer was about $40 in on this $6 investment that I thought I would use for my own personal use. My profit when it was all said and done, $14.66. Looking at these keywords, I added wire, metal, cage, style. I thought it was a lampshade cover, light cover, retro, steampunk, multi-use, and brown. They kind of looked like they were candle holders to me, but upon further research, I think they were light bulb covers or light fixtures. Anyway, they're out of my garage and on to their next home. How's everyone doing? Do you like this content? If so, do me a favor and click that like button, which is the thumbs up. It tells me you like this kind of video and would love for me to create more of them. It takes just a second, it's free, and it really helps my channel. Next, we'll hop over to Mercari. I sold this Eddie Bauer linen plus size shirt for $22. I paid $3.50 for this. My profit, $15.36. Eddie Bauer is not really a brand that I seek after. However, this was linen and a plus size, so I thought I would give it a shot. Next up, we'll hop over to Poshmark. I sold this sleeveless Umgee tank shirt. I picked up several of these new with tag at Goodwill in various colors. I paid $3.50 for this one. It sold for $36. So my profit, $27.08. I do have a few more of these left, I believe in beige. If you're interested, I will have my eBay store listed in the description below. Next up, I sold a Starbucks mug. I keep telling myself I am going to get out of the coffee mug reselling business. However, when I find a Starbucks mug, I can't pass it up, especially in this case when it was just 75 cents. So this is a venti 20-ounce coffee mug. It does have some scratches on the side, which I did disclose. Like I said, I paid 75 cents for this. It sold for my full price of $22 on Poshmark, so my profit, $16.85. Again, I keep telling myself I am not going to buy any more coffee mugs, but it's hard to pass them up when they're just 75 cents. Next up is a pair of Madewell high-rise skinny jeans. I paid $3.75 for these at Goodwill. They sold within 1 month of listing for $32 on Poshmark. My profit, $21.85. I love that in the Madewell jeans they do include the style. This is the 9-inch high-rise skinny. I did include the stock photo, but I only included the stock photo on Poshmark and Mercari. Be careful when you list the items on eBay that you do not include stock photos, as it will get you a vero mark or possibly banned. The last item I'd like to share with you is an interesting one. This is a mall brand, Express. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. It sold for my full price of $28 on Poshmark. It is new with tags. My profit, $17.18. It is new with tags. As you can see here on the keywords, I added them all. Express 10, super high-rise pleated pants, black tapered ankle, stretch jeans. So you can make some money selling mall brands, especially when they're new with tags. I just shared with you 15 of the items that I sold last week that helped me gross over $1,700 in sales. Now, this is not every sale I made last week. That would take forever. But this was just 15 of the highlighted sales that I think you may be able to find at your local thrift store and garage sales. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so go ahead and do me a favor and click that subscribe button. I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.